Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our video about Brita versus PUR water filters. Watch until the end to know our verdict on which of the two is best. So the main difference between Brita and PUR water filters is in their filter speed and efficiency. The PUR has 16 small, nail-head-sized holes at the bottom of its filter, through which water is filtered and drips in a steady flow. The Brita, on the other hand, has 4 larger holes. If the water you're cleaning has debris, the Brita filter tends to back up, which slows down the process. Even though contaminant tests show the two reduce the same type of contaminants, the PUR works more efficiently. Therefore, if you need filtered water quickly, PUR filters are the better option. Filter lifespan. The Brita Long Last Plus filter will clean 120 gallons of water, or work for 6 months before it needs to be replaced, while the Brita standard lifespan is 40 gallons or 2 months. Depending on consumption, the PUR standard filters also last 40 gallons or 2 months, whichever comes first. The PUR Plus lead reduction filter only lasts 30 gallons of filtered water or 2 months, a shorter lifespan than the standard filter. Brita filters shine and are the best option when it comes to lifespan. This is because you get high-quality water without needing to change the filter every couple of months with the Long Last Plus filter. Pitcher options. PUR offers 3 pitcher options with its standard PUR filter and 3 with the PUR Plus lead reduction filter. They are all artistically comparable and typically only differ in terms of capacity. On the other hand, Brita offers a bewildering selection of pitcher shapes, colors, and sizes. Brita provides steam filters as well as standard and long-lasting Plus filters. These filters are made to go in Brita steam pitchers that are smaller in size but still hold 10 cups of water, which makes them ideal for refrigerators. Brita water filters are therefore the best option when it comes to pitcher selection. Similarities. Both water filters use ion exchange resin and activated carbon as their filter media. Both have filter life indicators that show you when you need to replace them. Verdict. So which is better? The Brita water filter is better than the PUR water filter because it has a longer lifespan and more filter and pitcher options than PUR filters. The filter status feature is conveniently placed on the lid of all pitchers. Brita's multiple filter and pitcher designs make it easier to choose one that fits your space, needs, and style. Thanks for watching.